Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys, what's up? You know it's Joey Z. What's up? It's Joey Z, and today, my beautiful people, it is Black History Month, and of course, I have to represent for my people. So this is just supposed to be, going back to our roots and just hit them with that natural look. So this is supposed to be a natural glam makeup look with like the head tie, guys. I'm just gonna show you guys how I got this look. It's really simple, and I believe you could do this as an everyday look if you want, but yeah. So let's get started. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and share the look if you like it. Hey beautiful people, what's up guys? How are you? How was your day? Hope it's good. So guys, just before I start, explaining and whatever stuff, I just want to let you guys know that on Tuesdays I will be uploading my videos every Tuesday morning, noon, night. I don't have a set time yet, but every Tuesday, look forward, Kayaga Summer Face. Okay? Glad we cleared that up. Alright, so guys, now I'm priming my eyes, with the concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer, and then I'm gonna set it with my e.l.f. translucent powder, the high definition powder from e.l.f. And we are gonna take a eyeshadow that is very close to your skin color, nothing too harsh, because we are going for a natural makeup look, and we're just gonna put that all over the eyelid, mostly in our crease, in the transition area, and yeah, just gonna spread it all around. And then afterwards, you're gonna go with a little color. Now this color, I don't want to say brown or whatever, because this is based on your skin tone. We're gonna go with another color that's a slightly darker than your skin tone, and you're gonna put it in the crease. So we're going for something a slightly more, I picked up like a light brown, and then I'm going for like a little bit darker than that brown, and then afterwards I'm going for something even a little bit darker in the corner. So we're just, nothing too heavy, because this, again, as I said, is a natural skin makeup. I said natural skin makeup. It's a natural makeup, so yeah. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go in with our foundation, and a tip that I will be telling you for the foundation is less is better. If you want a flawless natural makeup look, you just want to use less products. I'm telling you, it's better for you, okay? We're just gonna buff that out with our brush, and I'm also going to be using Witch Hazel that I'm using right now, spraying on my face to blend out my products a little bit faster and smoother for me, because if you guys use LA Girl concealer or any other cheap, concealer, whatever it is, you realize that sometimes when you have, like, if I leave the concealer on my face for a while, it doesn't blend out as easily. So the Witch Hazel does help, as it does assist me to blend out my concealer a little better. So yeah, or foundation, whatever it is that's like not blending out as evenly as you want it to be. Now for the concealer, as you guys can see, I'm only using a little bit, and I'm only pressing it in the areas that really need concealing, which is under my eyes because it's darker, and just to brighten the forehead and the brightening spots on the face, or the brightening points. I don't know, I'm not no makeup guru, but I'm trying to explain, bro. Anyways, so now we're moving into contouring, guys. So when you're contouring, you want to contour every place that needs contouring. The forehead, the cheeks, the jawline. If you want to contour your nose, you can. I don't really like to contour. I mean, sometimes I contour my nose, but I don't really like to contour it because I feel like I'm not trying to get a certain nose, you know what I mean? Like I like how my nose is, and I don't like, why is a slimmer nose a better nose, you know what I mean? Anyways, not trying to get too deep into that, but yeah, so contour areas that you want to contour. Darkening my mole, I added my lashes, and now I'm gonna just do my lips, which I add lip gloss, and then I add like a brown lip liner to give me a little bit more color, and then I highlight with the same highlight. And also, guys, I know sometimes you get carried away with highlighting, but for a natural makeup look, you want to use less you want to use less highlight because you don't want your face to look, again, like too much. And then we're just gonna do our head wrap and our edges. So yeah. Okay guys, so another tip that I recommend that you guys try is the Cantu twist and lock gel that I'm using on my edges. It does the job, like I can get my edges lay down, and I also realized that my edges have become fuller, and it's not like how gel will like dry out your edges, and I feel like gel breaks your hair, but this does not. So you guys should definitely try it and let me know what you think. Guys, yes, so this is the complete look, and I really hope you guys love it. It was super simple, as you guys can see after watching the whole process. So yeah, I thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe, share, like, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much. Watch our now. Joe IZZY. Bye guys.